Hey everyone. So today was my first online Niper class and it started at 10 a.m. So I took a bath early in the morning thinking that we might have to show our faces in the video call, but that was not the case. So it was okay. So the subject that we were taught today was cell biology, and it has 2 credits in this semester. And before the class started, I just read the syllabus quickly, and there are a few really interesting topics like staining and fluorescence that I'm really looking forward to study. And also, our teacher mentioned a book which I will soon read. So I'm really liking the course right now, and I'm so excited to be a part of Niper Mohali. And also, I was taking notes so that I don't just forget what was taught. So yeah, I took notes. I marked the heading with color pens and then I wrote. So yeah, we study cell biology because it is the basis of life, and we learned a little about the history of cell biology. And also our teacher told us that Robert Hooke was a architect too. So this was one fact that I didn't know before. So that's why he was really good at constructing things. In the next class, our teacher is going to show us some slides where those old microscope pictures are available. So I'm really looking forward to that.